So go ahead and find a nice and comfortable seated or laying position. And closing your eyes. And drop your shoulders. And relax your jaw. And we'll take just about 10 minutes or so here to go into a deep, restorative relaxation to assist in releasing stress, any anxiety, any worry. And coming back feeling restored, refreshed, and centered. And so let's just begin by focusing on the breath. Allowing the arms and the legs to get heavy. Noticing as you're breathing in and breathing out. Noticing as the belly rises and falls. You may like to say to yourself on the inhales, I am breathing in, and on the exhales, I am breathing out. And as you do this, you can allow the mind to relax and be still. Just allow any thoughts that you're having to gently come and go, bringing awareness back to the breath and back to my voice. And we'll just set the intention that with every word that I say and every breath that you take, that the mind and the body can relax more and more. And so go ahead and scan through your body and noticing if there's anywhere you're holding tightness or tension, anywhere that you can release and let go. Softening, relaxing. And let's just start at the top of the head, paying attention to the muscles in the forehead, the top of the head, the sides of the head, resting and relaxing, resting and relaxing the eyes, allowing the eyelids to get heavy, paying attention to the temples, allowing the temples to relax, the ears to relax, the nose and the mouth and the cheeks to rest and relax. Breathing in and breathing out, noticing the energy, the back of the neck, the sides of the neck and the shoulders, allowing the shoulders and the neck to relax. And we're just welcoming more calm and more peace and releasing any stress, any worry, any fear. Breathing in and breathing out, following my voice, relaxing the biceps and the triceps, relaxing the elbows and the forearms, relaxing the wrists, the palms of the hands, the backs of the hands, relaxing the fingers. Bring your focus and your attention to the back of the neck and let the entire spinal column and all the muscles on either side of the spine relax and let go. Pay attention to the upper back, the mid back, and the low back. Allow the back to release, to relax and let go. And breathing in and breathing out. And just knowing that there is nothing right now that you need to do or say or think or feel. Notice your inhales. Notice your exhales. Taking this time for yourself to be still. Come back to the chest, to the heart. Relax the chest. Relax the heart. Let this soothing, relaxing energy flow gently through the heart space, relaxing the sides of the body, the upper belly and the lower belly. Breathing in, breathing out, releasing any old energy, welcoming fresh and restorative energy into the hips, relaxing the upper legs, the hamstrings and the quadriceps, relaxing the knees, relaxing the shins and the calves, relaxing the ankles. Being so proud of yourself for taking this time to be still. And relax the tops of the feet, the ankles and the bottoms of the feet. And breathing in and breathing out. Scan through the body one more time, up and down. And just notice, is there anywhere else you can release and relax? And as the body is relaxed, just imagine that you're breathing in peace and breathing out peace. That you're breathing in calm and breathing out calm. And as you do, that peaceful, calming energy moves into the space around the body, above the body, below the body, to the right and to the left, in front and behind. Peace and calm inside the mind, the heart, inside the body and outside of the body. Imagine that beautiful, calming and peaceful energy flows from your body towards the earth and just plants these seeds of restoration in such a way that they continue to grow even outside of this meditation. We'll let these calming, centering, grounding energies from Mother Earth just flow back up to your heart space. You might like to bring your hands to your heart. Wiggle your toes, wiggle your fingers. And just send yourself some gratitude for taking this time to be still, to go within, to rest and relax. And know that you can come back to this meditation anytime that feels good to you. And you may like to bring a smile to your face, allowing that smile to uplift your endorphins and anchor in all the beautiful work that you've done here today. Just stretching your arms, stretching your legs, feeling rested and restored for whatever comes next. Come back to this meditation as often as is needed. Thank you so much for being here with me today, and be well.